Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a New York City episode of the Daily Bone Podcast, where we bring you all of the news and updates with everything around the crypto market, majors like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to continue to discuss the red hot meme coin market and the current metas we saw last night. We're going to talk about a new crypto credit card coming from Avalanche that's going to make it much easier to pay with your cryptocurrency for real world goods. And we're going to talk about some interesting news coming out of Magic Eden and their plans regarding the future. Easy. First day in New York. How'd you sleep? How you feeling?
I'm all right. There's a Japanese coffee shop near the hotel, so that's pretty nice. Kajitori or something like that. Japanese coffee's fire. So I'm excited about that. Dude, I realized too, I got this neck beard going on. I got to find a razor today. I need to somehow make time over the next couple days for a haircut. Like, bro, being out of the States for so long, I'm like, shit. Yeah, it's an issue. Nick will be joining us today as well. I just got confirmation, so I'm excited to have the guy on. But I'm kind of tired, dude. You and me did a stream last night, and that was after I filmed from like 2 to 9 p.m. So I think I was on camera for like 11 hours yesterday. It was just a long day, dude. Like, it was just a long fucking day.
We had some fun last night. I mean, why not just
It was a blast.
Jump into it real quickly. Let's take a look at what we were trading last night. So for anyone who's not aware, we were following this Fun token and the Terminal of Fun account associated with it. So yesterday, this launched pretty much right before we started streaming, and we were like keeping an eye on it. Essentially, what this is a automated, well, not automated, but it's like a Twitter account that's claiming to be a bot that is learning how to trade pump fun. And essentially, they launched their fun ticker. They sold a ton of supply of that ticker, which was like absolutely crashed their token. And then they began to make other plays. So they started buying other tickers. You can see some of the results here. Odin, they bought for a sold for 15. And then they ended up like burning some of their own ticker supply. They flipped Beanie here, BINI, 2 sold to 16 sold. And they kept hitting these tokens, flipping them for profit, and then buying their own token and burning it. So it kind of created this feedback loop on the token that was super interesting. Easy and I were diving in, tracking the wallets, trying to see if we could out trade the machine last night, but we got absolutely destroyed.
We say destroyed, but I think we both ended up money.
Oh yeah. We made money, but we weren't making the multiples that this token was.
True, very true. That's the tough part. There's good and bad, I will say, with copy trading some of these things. But all in all, I would give it out of 10. I'd give it a 6.9 on the out of 10 scale for how enjoyable it was. I think that's fair.
Fair. It was definitely fun tracking it live. I mean, there's a lot of like waiting for like its next move. It's something a little bit fresh in the AI coin meta, and that it went in a little bit of a different direction. I'm still obviously holding this. I use my Bullx account whenever we're on the show just for like complete transparency. So you can see like my prices, where I'm holding it, and average price. So like there is complete transparency.
So right after we got off stream, I ended up hitting a 6x on Blue, BLU.
I saw this. We talked about it briefly on stream.
So I ended up buying in right after I laid down in bed. It's down to 409K, but zoom out on this thing because it ran like absolutely sent.
Damn. And
the dev just kept buying the dip. So I ended up getting in right around 600K and selling, might have been 500K and selling at 2.4 to 2.6 mil. It was like 550, and I sold like from 2.4, 2.6, slightly higher. So it's technically a 4 to 5x, but it was great. And it wasn't like a ton of size. I think it was like 3 or 4 sold, but it felt good to hit that, especially because like, dude, I haven't been able to get a read on this AI meta like at all. Like I feel like I'm just late, and then I see stuff at like 250, and I'm like, I don't know what to do. You know?
This Blue bot was basically copying Terminal of Fun, right? They were like competing with them in terms of trading.
Yeah. So this one even bought Fun. Like it ended up buying the Fun ticker at one point, which is wicked interesting to see.
AI tokens buying each other's bags. I mean, the tough part about it, like they have such an advantage when they get the attention there. Like, I mean, even if it's not like truly AI buying, which I don't think it is, but you're essentially looking at like everyone's looking at this Fun coin. They're all staring to figure out what's going to buy. So as soon as it buys something, people jump in to try to flip, and then it basically guarantees that the bot's going to be in profit because they have all this exit liquidity stacked on top of them, like hoping that people are going to buy whatever the bot buys. So they were continuing to
Yep.
print. It's just absolutely unfair. Very smart by whoever developed it in terms of how to make money.
They printed, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna keep talking about meme coins. I don't know if you have the weather report up right now, Easy, but maybe we could do like an easy weather report.
Impromptu weather report. Yes, we can. Give me one moment here, my friend, and we will dive into the weather report and talk about everything that's been going down on this wonderful Tuesday morning, Monday night. So as we get into the weather report today, it's a little bit of a mixed bag over at the Crypto Roundup. Majors with Solana outperforming Bitcoin over 67K, ETH at 2640, and Solana at 169. Nice. The leading top 100 coin was actually Aptos, up to a $5.6 billion market cap, up 9% on the day. And on top of this, we saw some sell pressure on everyone's favorite coin. Pump.fun was selling into the Solana pump, selling $6.6 million worth of Solana. And the Memecoin Launchpad raised over $162 million in platform fees and has sold over $75 million so far. So looks like those investors might be quite happy with that investment, to say the least, if they've already generated over like 70% of what they raised. Scroll announced details for their upcoming token airdrop. 5.5% of the airdrops allocated to the Scroll community participants who have actively used the protocol through their sessions protocol. The airdrop went live this morning and began trading at a $1.1 billion FDV. And Avalanche released the Avalanche card, allowing users to spend wrapped AVAX and USDC wherever Visa is accepted. A waitlist to sign up is now available over at avalanchecard.com. So we got some nice off-ramp stuff, some nice moves to be made. Seems good to be seeing more tech when it comes to traditional finance. Shout out AVAX, big fan of them, and it's exciting.
Great weather report. Love an easy weather report here and there. We have this pump fund news, and I think a lot of people are blowing this out of proportion potentially. I mean, you're looking, they raised 162 million and they sold 78 million to fiat. Like, that's just taxes, right? Like, at that point.
Yeah. Yep.
So, I mean, I don't know if you can get upset with them about selling part of their bag to fiat. That's just like smart business management. And even if you're like, even if they were doing it for profit, I think just the buy pressure that their platform alone has generated for Solana like way outpaces any kind of sell pressure they're gonna put in.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we need to develop a business idea that generates 168 million in like 6 months. So
yeah, I agree.
Let's cook that up while we're here and just launch it.
While we're in person, I think that's probably the best way, is that you and me can just cook up a quality $160 million biz op, I will say.
Yeah, we've seen some funny comments about the hotel that we're staying in. We're both in the same type of room. So yeah, we have like the exact same setup. It's like it's an interesting setup here. But we made it work, and we're in here nice and cozy. We'll probably get Clemente on tomorrow. He's doing some shooting this morning with our friends over at Unfuck, which is going to be interesting. I'm going to hop down after the show and take a look at what they're doing, but they've been doing some crazy video stuff. So I'm super pumped to see them live, like doing some shooting. Have you done any live shooting with them yet, Easy, or have you basically just been doing
with Unfuck?
Yeah,
I shot with them yesterday. So I shot with them for like 2 hours yesterday. It was good. It was good. I'm excited for that to drop. I still have to do a couple more like editing and stuff today for it, but it was good. Like, that was a good time.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's going to be interesting to see the video come out for sure.
How much did Ray make on fraud? Ray lost half a soul on fraud. He bought half a soul and then he burned 30K worth when it hit the peak. You can check my Twitter account.
Got the video. Got the video.
Oh man. Yeah, fun show yesterday. That was pretty crazy. We'll talk about that a little bit more. Let's talk more about meme coins in general and like where we see the market going. Over the last 24 hours, Raydium flipped Ethereum in terms of total fees. We saw a number of Pump.fun bots flip Uniswap in revenue. So we're continuing to see this shift towards Solana in the meme coin space in terms of both fees and in terms of revenue here. Is Raydium just like a no buy, like picks and shovel, or sorry, a no brainer picks and shovels play to just buy for this run? Like, I know
I'm just saying, I've been long Ray for a while. I think it's like the easiest bet. Because, dude, every single token that graduates from Pump Fund goes on Raydium. Like, if you believe the meme coin meta is here and you don't have exposure to Raydium, you're actually doing yourself a complete disservice.
Yeah, I mean, would you just buy Raydium, or would you also do like Jupe JLP?
I would just do Raydium.
Just all eggs in one basket, and you think that'll capture?
Yeah. JLP is more the perps platform. It does not actually have exposure to the like underlying liquidity pools. Jupe is interesting, but I would just go all Raydium until like there's some level of competitor.
Do you think we break out here? I'm looking at the 1 week chart for Raydium. It looks like we've
I
hit
do.
this level of resistance a couple
That
times.
third tap is make or break. Third tap is make or break.
So this is on the weekly. So we're getting really close to breaking out for Raydium on the week. I mean, we're coming into the part of the cycle where we're expecting momentum. We're coming into the end of October. Elections just 2 weeks from today, which is nuts. We've been talking about this for so long, and the days coming up, like very, very soon.
I can't believe it's 2 weeks, bro. Like that feels surreal to me. I don't know why, but I'm like, this feels kind of crazy that it's this soon.
And I thought, we've seen so much like manipulation with the election markets and prediction markets, with some of the like whales coming in and really dumping, but we haven't seen any kind of correction on Harris on these markets, even though the polls have.
It just keeps trending down, bro. It literally just keeps trending down. I'm like, what the hell is going on?
Yeah, so like I don't know. I mean, this got as high as 60% for Trump yesterday, 60.6%. Like I'm really tempted to throw in some Kamala trades here. It almost feels like it's like a short-term hedge for crypto bags. I think that Kamala overall will be bullish long-term, but I think that a Kamala win short-term could cause like a market dump where you might see Bitcoin get back into the 50s, low 50s before like recovering.
Yeah, I also think on election night is going to be the most volatile swings, like hands down the most volatile swings. And that's like one where you're going to have a lot of opportunity to buy and sell into stuff,
Yeah. While we're over here, I just want to take a look at the interest rates. 25
interest rates, and then Ray, we might be getting a new meta right now on meme coins.
Ooh, are we on Pump Vision looking at this, or are you saying?
Yeah, I'm on Pump Vision right now. It seems music meme coins are starting to move. So
what are music meme coins?
Gucci flip flops is currently running right now. I think it's about to bond. APT, which is called APA2, which is it's a music song featuring Bruno Mars. Giga sent this morning from 60K up to 350K. It's Rose and Bruno Mars called APT up to 342K. So I'm looking at this. I bought it to Gucci flip flops. It just migrated. I'm not up a ton on it. I'm actually up 64%. Not bad. Got in at like 41K. This is the meta I can get behind, dude. This is the meta I can get behind.
So if they're not even using like the video platform, they're just
the name of the song. I love it. This though, if they pivot this into the videos, then we were early on the KSI one.
The newest viral sing in town by Rose and Bruno Mars. Very nice.
Yeah, that's it. I like this way better than the AI meta, dude. I could not get onto the AI meta at all.
All right, so are we dropping like a Rick roll, like never gonna give you up? And
that's already out though.
Okay. All right. I mean, the holder distribution looks good here. I mean, there's definitely some people with decent sized bags, but I don't see the dev there. I see only one insider for APT. And you said you just jumped into
Gucci flip flops.
Gucci flip flops while it's migrating.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yep. Nick, how you doing, Chief?
I'm doing all right. Gucci flip flops.
Yeah, this small music meta just started kicking off. Like literally just names of songs.
That's the name of a song?
Gucci flip flops? Yeah.
Okay.
It's by I think it's by Bad Barbie.
Bad Barbie?
Bad Baby. That's who it is. The Catch Me Outside girl.
the X
really?
X.com.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
So this is what we're doing, Nick. We're making money. Nick, did you see this AI last night that was trading meme coins?
Yeah. I bought one of them and lost money promptly.
Which one did you buy?
Man, I don't even know what. Isn't it basically the same username as the other one? What is it called? Something terminal?
Fun terminal.
Fun terminal.
Fun was the main one to buy, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
and I didn't buy that one because I thought I was late. Is it still pumping?
It's still above 7 mil. It's not where it peaked at like near 20.
It hit 20 mil.
Yeah.
Yeah, this hit 20 mil.
Damn. That's insane.
Yeah, we traded this. We were streaming last night pretty late, and we traded this token and some of the other tokens that it was buying itself. We talked about this a
Yo,
little
thanks
bit.
for the text. Appreciate it.
Hey, you don't have us on alerts on Twitter?
But I don't get push notifications from Twitter.
Okay. Nick, we might stream tonight too.
And what am I here? So I'm listening to someone's mic, basically.
Is it mine?
I heard that too. It sounded like a mic just like.
It's got to be easy.
Might be mine.
Whatever you're doing with your mouse.
Sorry. Is that better? Is it back? Are we good?
We're good.
We're good.
Okay.
What is the current? People keep mentioning fraud. What's the? How are things looking?
We're not in jail yet, so I mean that's good. The charges haven't been levied.
I did hear you're going to get a Wells notice up.
I'm listening to it again. I don't know what you're like clicking on over there.
That's not me. I
Oh,
didn't type.
Ray.
Is it
That
me?
wasn't me. Yeah, that wasn't me. Do you have a keyboard, Ray?
No,
Well, the microphone is pointed at like the floor, so that's like a starting point.
Ray, do you have a mouse?
Your microphone is not pointed at your mouth.
Is that better?
If you get it at your mouth, you're gonna have a better outcome.
That's what she said. Okay.
But
yeah,
you're also turned sideways, which means that you're still not perfectly getting it. But okay.
I mean, I have a very, very cramped setup here, Nick, where I can't do much better than what we're currently at.
So the fraud chart not looking so hot.
We had a little bit of a pump this morning.
Oh, you
700K.
did. An anticipatory pump for a big announcement.
Well, I heard the dev was on the timeline last night talking a big game. I saw a video. I saw that he's an AI potentially.
That wasn't last night.
Yesterday.
That was yesterday afternoon. Big announcement coming. We're going to keep that announcement for later in the show. You know what I'm saying? Let's hit him with the exciting news that we got. Ray, take it from here.
Nick, so I'm going to ask you, we didn't get to talk about this yesterday because we got a bit off the rails. Over the weekend, we saw a number of calls for like crypto and Bitcoin breaking out of week-long downtrends. I don't know if you could bring up some charts and like talk about your mindset in terms of Bitcoin and crypto total market cap maybe breaking out finally after we've been playing in this range all summer.
Yeah, I got you. Let me also discuss the number of. I need to add a couple more lines to my chart, probably. This line, we're kind of moving. We're on it. This is what we were looking for. Bitcoin did break out against that wedge or what flag, bull flag that we had, which is good. It seems to be retesting it. Interesting thing to pay attention to. But Solana, maybe I have multiple Solanas on here. Hold on one second. Yes. There's another line that I had. Dude, I have so many of these things on my on here. Look, here's my overall take. Things are pumping right now. I don't know if this is anticipatory. So I have a line here at 160, 165.97. So I'm just going to add that here. So that we can get an accurate thing on 165, around that. So this looks good on Solana. This thing is done. We can get rid of this line. We can get rid of this line. We can probably even get rid of this line. This is looking good for Solana. This is the main thing that I'm paying attention to right now. Solana looks very nice. Bitcoin looks like it may retest. It may retest the wedge that we were getting here. Or sorry, flag. I keep calling it wedge. Like a nice Cobb salad, wedge salad. You want some wedge lettuce. That's something that I'm always looking for. But they say when in doubt, zoom out. So let's go to the weekly. This, I mean, it doesn't look great, but
Yes, it does. This looks great to me. This is a breakout of a nice little falling wedge. This is the price action you want.
I'd like to see a retest at least.
Zoom in.
Enhance.
We got a small retest if you look at the bottom of the wick. So you want to see just a bigger push down.
I mean, I just don't know. So I wonder what this momentum is coming from, like what, if any, external catalyst there is. I mean, meme coin season is upon us. That's for sure. But that has nothing to do with Bitcoin at the moment. Ape having a nice little run. Although I think that too probably pulled back after its brief hype there the other day. But I mean, this is a hell of a candle.
Mm-hmm.
Ape looks like borderline. It's in a nice little reversal here. All the apes would love to see this pump.
I mean, can you look at technicals with something like Ape, or is it just the volume that people were buying to get onto that chain and make early?
Can you look at technicals? Of course you can. I can make up bullshit all day long, Ray. The thing I was going to say also, shit, you just distracted me from that. Dude, and I had something really important to say, Ray.
You were talking about Ape breaking out.
Yeah. Listening to that mic still.
And Filecoin being the future.
It's one of your mics is having this tick-tacking. What Easy's most likely because he doesn't have an arm like the one that you have. What's the microphone that you have in there, by the way?
Mine?
No, Ray's.
Rode Pro or whatever the Rodecaster mic is. Pod mic?
You have the same one. Oh, okay. The thing I was gonna say, well, this looks like shit. Honestly, I mean, it had a breakout before, but like, I don't know. Someone says it's your old ass ears. Did you guys see? Mr. Yellow heard it. Someone said which model. Someone says I have tinnitus.
You might have tinnitus.
Yeah, maybe it's my boom connecting to the desk that I'm working on, and I'm like sliding.
It's that boom. So ETH, still doesn't look great. I just don't feel I feel the timeline is excited. I'd like to see a retest here. So that's the main thing I'm looking for. I don't know if this is anticipatory. How tied do you think the crypto market is to the U.S. election, Easy?
We were just talking about that.
61.
And I don't know. I mean, I think Easy could probably have a better take here. Go ahead, Easy.
I don't know, dude. Like, I think it's tied to, like, I think there's some correlation, but I don't know how heavy it actually is. Like, I think the bigger thing is rate cuts and basically pricing in like the back tail end of a recession, going into a new presidency and a financial change globally. Like, we just had China change their stimulus policy after a lot of negative press and feedback on it. We have the U.S. cutting rates. So it's just like money printer go burst, so therefore price go up. Like, it doesn't matter who's in office.
What do you do? How do you? So let's say I have a trading view question. If I end up deleting these levels, how do I end up getting them back for a future date? Should we go back down?
You should be able to save the chart. There's an area, I forget where it is, but there's an option to save the chart. I forget exactly where it is. Somewhere there's an option to save this chart, and then you can basically redo it without those lines.
Nick, do you see where it says ETH hourly? Click that drop down.
Create new layout.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Why is it a new layout?
just do it.
Okay.
Just type in any name. Nick's less lined chart.
I see. So this is like a mode borderline that you're on. And then you're
welcome.
well, yeah, it got rid of all of them. I don't want to get rid of all the lines.
Make a copy of it.
See, nobody here knows. You guys all act like experts, but have no idea.
All right, click that drop down again, Nick.
Fourth button from the
Click,
top
click
object.
click that same Nick that drop down on ETH hourly. There's a make a copy option.
Right there, right under rename. Boom. That's what we do.
This guy says fourth button from the top object.
It's right there. Autosave, sharing, rename, make copy. Yep.
BTC lineless. Okay. So now I can always come back here by switching to the
ETH hourly.
There you go. Very interesting. Very interesting. Shout out to Arvid's Rasa, who was able to identify this. Someone said that's why fraud is going down. So let's have a conversation about that. There's some big updates coming. Should we reveal the updates? No?
No, not yet.
Ready?
No, I don't think they're ready for it.
Okay. I'm curious. What do you guys think the updates are on fraud? Post those in the comments. I'd love to see what people think is going to happen. I want to apologize for those that I was giving that tutorial to. But now you guys know. You all learned something, and you didn't have that before. So let's talk about where did we do the weather report?
We did.
Oh, well, what's the big news?
We talked about Pump Fund selling some Solana. We talked about the Avalanche credit card. And we talked about Scroll's airdrop.
This all sounds like nothing. Is there really nothing going on?
I mean, right now, a lot of the attention's on meme coins.
It's 100% meme coins. It's the only, like, the entire narrative last night was those AI trading meme coins. That's it. Like, quite literally, that is it. That is the entire crux of what is happening in the space is just meme coins.
Magic Eden made some clarifications on their future with their platform. They're looking to expand to 10 chains and basically create a mobile app that just simplifies onboarding for users. That also went around a bit yesterday, was being talked about with their Magic Eden token launch. But yeah, like Easy said, it's really all meme coins right now dominating the market share, especially the AI meta.
I saw some comments talking about the past of the show and how they liked it more than. What are you going to discuss? There's literally nothing.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is some of the replies yesterday. Some people that were sort of reflecting on the past of the show and contextualizing the fraud token. There's literally nothing to discuss on the timeline other than random tickers. And the speed with which these tickers are dropping is absurd. The fun terminal, which I'm convinced is bullshit. Like, there's no AI behind it. Speaking of which, we're launching our own AI terminal. Very excited about that one coming. You're going to be wanting to pay attention. You're going to want to pay attention to the timeline to see what tickers are dropped on whatever Twitter account we end up launching, which is Stupid Fun Terminal. Maybe what it ends up being.
Totally legit terminal.
Of a sick, wildly dope terminal.
This terminal is worth $1 million terminal.
Exactly. Or someone saying the fraud terminal. If you're still holding fraud, can you post why in the comments? I'm just curious. I mean, I'm I have nothing to do with this token at this point. At this point in time.
I think it's so funny how a token launched that you weren't involved with at all, and you think it's a good idea to launch another random token. It's just absolutely poetic what's happening.
What do you mean?
I just think it's funny. Like you were stressing out about the other token that launched, and then I don't know, like if you forgot about the drama that came around that when you launched fraud, but like it's just very funny that everything went down that way.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Which drama did I forget?
You've talked about it before with the other token that launched that as asking you to like do stuff for the token. Why aren't you doing this? Why aren't you doing this? I didn't, and you didn't launch it, and you like were constantly yeah, you know what I'm talking about?
Yes. Right now the token is imploding for some reason. I don't know why. They're all waiting on bullish comments. Easy, but buy $100,000 of this token.
And then burn it.
So that I can literally just give them the exit liquidity they've been begging for. That's all they want is an announcement to dump into. It's not like they're sitting here like, give me an announcement so that I can become a long-term community member of fraud. Like, that's not what it is. Did Ray just get completely unplugged?
No, he's still on the show. I don't know, or in the waiting room. I don't know what the deal is there. Well, there's big things coming. Okay.
How big? How large?
I mean, pretty massive.
Interesting.
For those that are in the comments, someone says, I just want a website for it. Well, Kix didn't send me the HTML. So that's like a problem that I'm dealing with. Oh, wait, hold on. Kix sent it. I got it right here. Maybe that's what we can do. Can we launch a website? What do you think? Would that be like a big news event in the world of fraud? Easy, what are you doing? Where are you at right now?
I was responding to a partner here. The world of fraud is not going to pump off of a website. That's a sad reality.
It's not?
I don't think so. Like, a website's not going to get people excited.
I mean, what if it's a good-looking website?
Maybe. I'm looking. Since you said there was a big announcement, you did. The token did run from 500 to 720, and now it's back to 470. Now that
huge announcement.
Huge.
I mean,
huge announcement.
What we need from you, Nick, is to go on the streets of New York and physically sell fraud to people on the street. I think
that actually is a work in progress, if I'm being honest.
We had a lot of content ideas yesterday.
I can't believe that they made my Twitter account made a version of me dunking on the holders. Like, that was disrespectful.
How like AI is that good though? I saw the video and like I was with you all day and you never filmed that video. So like I don't know how it filmed that and posted it.
That was
AI's come a long way. It's become sentient. The Turing test is proving to be real.
It was crazy.
Yeah, we were sitting there drinking Skittles juice, and all of a sudden Skittle juice, and then all of a sudden you posted a video and you were like, why is my phone blowing up? And sure enough, the AI committed fraud. Real.
I mean, I want to apologize to anybody that lost money and was harmed by the AI's comments. I mean, you are stupid, but I just think so the AI had I think it did a good job replicating some of my ideas and behaving in a way that, I figured it would. But yeah, that was crazy. I couldn't believe that it did that.
What
you
about
are dumb. Like anyone that's buying any token at this point is dumb, but it's not to the degree that they were talking about. So I think What's the name of the website that I got? Textbook fraud. Textbook fraud. I feel like a website with an announcement would be like a pretty big thing. You know what I'm saying?
So since it's called textbook fraud, I think you should also launch a course on how to commit fraud.
That's an interesting idea. That's an
Just saying.
interesting idea.
How
Yeah,
to get
like,
away with committing fraud.
no, just how to commit fraud.
Just how to commit fraud.
Just wicked simple. We're not giving you the playbook. We're just like showing you what you can do. We're not going to help you be found not guilty. We're just going to like tell you what actions to take to commit fraud. And then to pay for the course, you pay in fraud. Exactly, Zlatkosa. Exactly. You know, Mother lets you pay with the Mother token at a strip club. This is a scammer's playbook on how to commit fraud paid for with fraud.
This does sound like utility.
Yo, I'm gonna come over later and let's film this course. I'll get the checkbook, the large printer for the fake IDs. We can probably like print a fake card title or two while we're at it. Listen, I think we're onto something.
This sounds interesting.
And then no one can say there's no utility. You can pay for fraud. It's by the way, it's gonna be a lot of fraud though. Like a ton of fraud token. Probably like 10 to 15 million just to buy the course. 1%. Sounds about right.
Mm-hmm.
Like, dude, it's fraud. Like, it can't be cheap. We're not cheapskates here. So if you want to get the fraud course, you need to send 1 to 1.5% to buy it, and then we'll burn the fraud token.
Let me see if I can get a website up real quick, but I want to switch topics so that people don't have to listen to me actually getting the website up with some of the impending announcements.
Yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna do a little
big announcement probably coming though. But honestly, remember, you were on the show yesterday. The disclaimer that was there said you will lose all of your money. So I just want to provide a disclaimer to anybody that's dumb enough to buy any token. You're going to lose all of your money. The only one that I think may have a chance of you not losing all of your money, well, there's a few. Bitcoin, highly recommend. Solana. What other ones do you think we should, that we think,
Raydium.
I like that as a marketing campaign.
Send fraud to Suzu and 3 Arrows Capital. We do have their wallet.
SBF. We can send to FTX. We can do we can send a lot of fraud.
I like SBF. Tiffany Huang. Could send it
She's
there.
not committing fraud.
No, but her bio just says criminal. So I think that's a good one. Who else is like a known criminal? The Party Degenerates team.
Okay. Wow. That was shots fired. I'm not sure I would have.
The initial creator of Pixelmon.
Oh, that's a good one. What else can we do here?
Cyborg.
I'm trying to think who else we have on this one. Okay, Mr. Yellow. I like that one. Who else do we have here? Now we're talking buying the dip. God damn it.
Are there wallets of some of these people that you've mentioned that we have public visibility into?
The 3 Arrows Capital one, yes. Yes. That one is doxed.
Slurf we do too.
Slurf we do as well.
Maki.
Trying to think. Machi. I don't know what his Solana wallet is though.
Okay. Well, what else we got going on here?
So we're gonna do a little Memecoin Monday. We're gonna recap last week while you do some of your website stuff over there, Nick.
We're doing Memecoin Monday on Tuesday.
Yeah, we didn't have enough people around. Easy wasn't on. Easy had a good day, so we wanted to give Easy his little victory lap here.
I cooked off of 1 token and 1 token only. My other ones went basically to 0.
Yeah, so recapping Memecoin Monday, we did a little 8-day swing here as opposed to a normal 7-day swing. Easy in first place, up $76 off the leader. Altism up over 3x, made a positive $214 on that on his initial $100 investment, up $60 overall. BIS and XD brought him down a bit. Second place, as me, I took a bunch of safe Murad coins, basically no balls. Clemente came in at third, up a hair on his Gizmo, Bitcoin, Rune, Call, and Sig, sitting at the bottom, down $33 out of an initial $300 portfolio. Bitcoin, Mog, and Maga for her. Maga, the big loser out of those three. So Memecoin Monday, we all pick 3 meme coins. We revisit them in roughly a week of time, and we check performance, and we'll do a little recap the following week. Easy, do you have any picks for this week for Memecoin Monday?
I'm actually analyzing the charts right now, and I'm going to take the exact same strategy I took last week, in which I looked for market caps between 1 million and 10 million. And that's how I found autism, which is what led very well. Absolutely cooked for me. Let me just take a peek here. So as I look, I want something like kind of low cap that's getting some decent volume. Oh, dude, but I don't want any AI coins. Like, I'm pretty good on the AI coins, to be completely honest. That's yeah, dude. There's not much good stuff right now. Kind of like this one. Yeah, give me look. It's called Look Bro. ... $6.4 million market cap. It's been on a nice uptrend on this breakout. Give me look, because I like the meme. Purely just like the meme. So I like that one. Give me, what else do we like here? Honestly, screw it. Give me Terminal of Fun. I want Terminal of Fun.
Looking at fun on my list, I just don't know these things are going to last another week. It's so tough, but yeah.
No,
I know. I want
way.
to take the swing. I agree, but I want to take the swing. That's my thing. I'm like, screw it.
Fun at 8.4 mil.
Oh god, what is this? One sec. The other one that I want to get, give me 2 seconds. I gotta find what this one is called. Give me Xiwif hat. XIWIF hat.
Are you kidding me, dude?
No.
You gotta be kidding me, dude.
Where
just sent
where
it,
is this one?
Give me 1 sec. I'll send you the CA.
This is for 1 week?
Yeah, I just sent it to you in the private chat. It's the first ever Pump Fund coin launched.
Okay, so it is an older coin. Interesting.
Yeah.
So I heard on your space this morning, somebody was talking about buying like early Elon coins and speculation that they're going to get attention with their Pump Fund token launch.
I don't hate that idea. I think it's actually a pretty good idea. Like, I don't really know like how high it'll go, but I do like the idea. When I think about that, I'm like, okay, this makes sense. But do I think you're going to get more of an airdrop for owning that? No. I want this one, though. I like this one. It's an early coin. Mitch is the CTO founder behind it. So, yeah, give me those. I don't know how well they're going to do, but I think those are my 3.
I'm going to go with 3 in the 10 to 20 range. I'm going to take Jinan on Sol at 14 mil. I'm going to take Brainlit on Sol at 17, and we're going to take Miggles on Base at 17. So I'm going to take those 3 in that 10 to 20 range. There wasn't a lot under 10 that I've been watching that I have faith is going to continue to run. And that's probably why they're sitting at, sub 10. It's, big swing, big risk there. And then anything higher, it's just a lot of stuff is pumped and like evened out, especially the Murad coins. A lot of them have just been chopping and are down slightly on the week. So I'm going to take those 3. We're going to be taking, Miggles, Jinan, and the third one I just had up was Brainlit. 3 for me. Nick, do you have 3 meme coins that you would want to pick?
Yeah, I'll get in on this action. And you're looking for percentage gains?
Yeah, so essentially like what I do is I just put $100 invested in each, and then we look at like what the total portfolio is worth at the end of the week, what the gain loss is. So yeah, percentage gain is the name of the game.
I'm gonna go with Glorp.
That's a good one.
I'm gonna throw in Mew. I need 3.
Yep, 3.
And Moo.
Glorp, Mew, and Moo. Love those. So are 2 of the is Moo and Glorp, are they on your list easy for your 10K portfolio?
Not Glorp, Moo is.
Okay, we have a website live.
Wow, what's the website? Fraud.com?
Textbookfraud.com. It's literally just an HTML site.
Wow, this is a
nice.
really good website.
I think he wanted me to insert a hilarious meme there. Kix did
No,
this.
that's way better.
Look, he made it so you can click the hodl button. Click on the hodl button.
Oh, I'm hodling.
And that number goes
Wow.
up. Click
I need
it,
to
click it
burn now,
again.
though.
Click it again. Click it again. Oh,
If
look
you
at that.
refresh the page, does it go back to 0? Yep.
All right, good. I burned the supply.
This doesn't even reference the fraud token, so we actually need to update some of the copy on here. But this is a good.
Yeah, you got to put the
starting
CA
point.
somewhere.
Yeah, you got to put the CA so it'll get picked up by Dex Screener.
Dex Screener is going to pick this up.
You need to put the CA in so when you add the website to Dex Screener, like you need that in there for it to link.
Each coin comes with a free online degree, but not a free course. We need to update that.
Where does it say that? So let's update some of this copy. So I'm going to do contract address. Just put CA : and the address.
Yep.
Okay. How do I get this? I'll go use the bullet. I think this website's probably going to transform things.
Yeah, minimum $700 billion market cap for sure.
Okay, hold on. I'm pushing an update to the site so we have the contract address. I'm going to say added CA. It's in the process of deploying. Very exciting times on the textbook fraud website. I believe it's deploying. And it's live. Ray, you can pull it up, scroll down to the bottom. Look at that contract address.
Boom. Perfect. Look at that. Have you seen a dev, iterate any faster? I don't know if I have.
I haven't. It says each coin comes with a free online degree. Is it free? Free degree, but not free courses.
Yeah, free degree, not free courses.
Yeah.
But not free courses. Okay, hold on one second. I'm going to update. Copy updated. Okay, I updated the copy.
Nice.
3 degrees.
What do you mean? What?
I think he misheard. 3 degrees for 3 degrees.
So refresh. There you go, but not free courses. So there's no promise of free courses. That's good news. It's interesting that
bullets on the left.
What's that?
We removed these bullets on the left.
I was thinking about that. What do you think? You guys think we should update that?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
it's another 50K market cap there. We get rid of those.
Line item. What is it? Hold on.
List item LI.
Give me 1 second. It should be. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna do. Is that what it is? List item. I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna ask AI. How do I remove the bullet next to a line item?
If they're tagged LI, you can just tag them as P.
No, it's list style type none. You're just making shit up over here, Ray.
I don't see the HTML that you're working with right now.
It's just
I would
basic.
just tag them as
Well, let me
paragraph.
tell you, it's advanced HTML and CSS, so it's probably going to go above your head right now with the style of this website. Fixed line style. Get ready. And done. Refresh the page.
I'm not seeing a change.
Refresh the page.
Yep, I'm refreshing. There we go. Boom.
Look at that. People said I didn't do anything. Look at us now. Look at us now. I should create a form where people put in their social security number and stuff like that.
That's pretty funny. Social security number, mother's maiden name, name of your first pet, street you grew up on.
First car.
1 second. Let me see if I actually can.
It looks like people are responding to the dev doing something,
which is wild. I'm gonna say, can you add a form to this website where people can enter their social security number, credit card? What else do we want?
Mother's maiden name.
Mother's maiden name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think that's really good.
The bar is so low.
It's Cursor said, I apologize, but I cannot recommend or assist. I'm gonna say it's a joke. Don't have the form submit anywhere. I understand it's intended as a joke, but I cannot recommend adding even a mock. Okay. Okay, then.
Just ask for a form and don't tell them what the field
a
is.
name, email, and address.
Jesus I know what you were doing.
It's like, I know what you were doing. You were trying. It just said you were trying to hack into people's lives. Don't do that.
Yeah, we needed one for seed phrase too.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Seed for okay. So we're gonna put so what are the what do we want in here?
Social security, seed phrase, credit card number, mother's maiden name.
Sorry, I'm gonna put it down and make sure we have this. This is getting really exciting, this show, by the way.
I mean, this is just the pinnacle of entertainment at this point.
Is there anything else happening in this? Okay, so I'm gonna do name, social security, seed phrase. We need credit card and mother's or maiden name. And I'm still getting that that sound in the background. Someone's mic.
You still hear it right now?
Nope.
My AC just kicked on in the room. I don't know if that's affecting anything.
Nope. Okay. So join the textbook fraud revolution, and I have a form. I haven't even looked at what this looks like, so I'm just going to update this live and see if we can get some good stuff on here. Git commit, added some additional fraud. I don't know that the format, the CSS is going to look good with this, the way that they have this. Oh, here you go. Why is this? Oh, here's what I got to switch. Sorry, the CSS is not going to look good. One second. Let me just make sure that this. Okay, I think I updated the style some. So how's the market reacting to this behavior? Seems like it's overall positive.
Yeah, Dev's doing something. We had a big volume wick here. We saw 101K of volume over this 5-minute period. We're seeing a little bit of volatility on this.
Chart looks good, dude. Chart looks good. That's a good chart.
I mean, have you ever seen anyone do more for a meme coin? Update the page. Check out the form now.
Ooh,
wow.
Nice.
Look at that. Put it in. You got to put your name in.
And your social.
That's his real social security number.
Yeah.
Click submit. See if it works now. Oh my God. Oh shit.
You have it set up as an email address.
Hold on. I got to fix that. I want to apologize to everybody. That was a tragic error in the, this is And all these are required. I'm not going to make all these required. Okay. Get add form fix.
I hope this is a lesson in how easy it is for someone to launch a meme coin and make a website. Like
Here-
this shows you like how quickly this can be.
Here
done.
you go. I updated it. You're gonna have to put your name in though. That is required, even though it doesn't say it. You didn't put your name in.
I don't know if it refreshed. So like, I'm just going to enter everything in again.
No, you don't need to put it all in. Just hit submit.
Congratulations, Ray. You signed up for a lifetime of regret.
That's what the AI thought was funny.
I like that. I like that.
So this is looking good. I think that this is a minor update. That's mean alfalfa. So we have some big things coming. Right now we have the button that updates and refreshes. Maybe we actually make it persist. That would be crazy.
Wow. So we can know how many holders click the button.
I think I am interested in the textbook fraud course.
Okay. Okay.
Which fraud holders are going to have access to.
Only if you buy it though with fraud.
I don't even know how to do that programmatically. How does
We
one
can
make
figure
it? Is there like an API that makes it easy to transact with like a random meme?
We could use like
meme
a
token?
Helio Pay link or something.
Helio Pay link.
Yeah, Helio Pay. We use a
Can you-
link. We just slap
so
it on
Helio Pay you can use with any token.
it. SPL tokens. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that's what.
Hey, add
Steve
Kicks. He's in the
doing.
waiting room.
What's up?
Just committing some fraud.
Are you half Asian, Ray?
No Asian.
Ah, you look
Or
kinda
Native
Asian
American.
today. You look Asian today.
Thank you. Is
What?
the glasses?
Okay. Well, that's an interesting comment. What the hell are we talking? What is going on here?
How you feeling,
You
Kix?
look Asian?
Did you see the new dev updates?
Did not. What's going on?
Yeah.
We
Well,
shipped
we're
a
live
ton
with
of utility.
textbookfraud.com.
Oh, nice.
you can enter your name, social security, seed phrase, credit card, and mother's maiden name.
Oh, dude, that's awesome.
Submit that.
And it's
It's
like
also-
and it's secure because I'm putting in my real social.
Yeah, it's all encrypted. So you
It
send
is
us-
secure,
send us-
yes. And so you're going to want to put your seed phrase in there too.
Yeah, it shows that it's plain text to our database.
Okay. Just put a password on the database.
And then we announced exciting announcement from Nick about the fraud course where he teaches you to commit fraud.
All right,
Oh,
so
that's
Nick,
awesome.
Nick, hear me out. Hear me out. That form, every time somebody submits it, it posts it automatically to a Twitter.
That's an interesting idea.
Yeah.
You will get some racist content shared for sure. For sure. But it's more because then technically it's AI though.
Oh, I got an idea.
Let's hear it.
I got an idea. We all collude.
Okay.
The fraud holders collude. Well, I don't own any fraud, so I don't know. But here's what happens: we all collude, and we determine the tickers that are going to be pumped via the quote AI Twitter account. So people post updates that are AI updates.
It's all AI. All AI.
Yes.
How to set up an automatic Twitter. All right, let's see.
Dude, that's easy.
Really?
That's easy peasy lemon squeezy, dude.
Because I like if we submit the form and post a tweet.
Well, we 100% can. It requires a lot more development for this thing to happen.
Let me ask Claude.
Hold on 1 second.
No, you hold on.
Fraud
Dude, don't talk to me like that.
You hold on. Can you make me what kind of like you like it Python or what kind of script?
No, I already have the it's the biggest issue is we need to transition the web project from a static HTML site to one. I would probably go with Supabase for their edge functions I like using.
Yeah. Totally.
So yeah.
All right, cool. I wrote a Python script to for the Twitter automation.
1 second. Cool. I just wrote a Python script. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
How are you going to deploy it?
I mean, I could do it via Heroku. I can even do it via the terminal. I don't even have to look at their interface.
Blanco's got a good point. We need to update Dex Screener now with the website.
1 second. We need to do what? Update I don't know. Someone said something about that yesterday, and I have no idea what that even means. Dude, I like how when you join Twitter now, it makes you follow an account, and the top one is Elon.
Did you just make a Twitter?
Yeah, I just made. So we now own Fraud Terminal on Twitter.
Nice. All one word or with an underscore?
Just Fraud Terminal.
Nice.
So this is good. I like this idea. This is interesting utility.
It's good tech.
Yeah, give it a follow.
All right, I'm gonna make a PFP for you real quick, Nick.
Okay.
We'll need a banner too.
Okay, I'll make both right now. We'll get creative. Oh, I got a good idea for the banner. All right, 1 sec. BRB, deploying.
Can you pay with does Helio Pay let you pay with could we pay with the Nifty portal?
No. No, I wish.
Could you pay with the Bodago?
I think they want something a little bit more liquid, maybe.
It's definitely Easy's microphone.
He's muted.
I know. He was unmuted a moment ago. I like this idea. Okay. So we have some, updates coming. We updated the website. A lot of people were asking for huge things. There's going to be partnerships that are currently unannounced. I don't own any of this. I have no incentive to do anything with this. Like I said, if you own this, you're a dumbass. But people like to be idiots. And I think that the meme coin market is the kind of group that enjoys being shit on, like Bill Burr shit on Philadelphia back in the day. Remember that?
I don't remember that.
Pull that up, Ray.
Pull that up. What am I? Bill Burr shits on Philadelphia?
Just put in Bill Burr Philadelphia. It's either Pittsburgh or Philadelphia. I think it was Philadelphia. Bill Burr Philadelphia. Yes, the Philadelphia incident.
Fuck it, I'll just cook this side for a while. Just
hold on, that audio is not coming through strong.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Go on YouTube. Could you hear it from me?
I can't.
This video may be inappropriate. You have an ad about the show? We'll turn the... Here you go.
But you don't stop talking, do you? Like, fuck it, I'll just cook this side for a while. Just. You know what's funny? I'm cooking my brain talking about nothing. I'm just walking around like, I just got a cheeseburger. Oh, fuck all you people. You know what, you fucking losers? I hope you all fucking die, and I hope the fucking Eagles never win the Super Bowl. Go fuck yourselves. Fuck all you motherfuckers, and fuck the Flyers. Fuck all of you. Fucking goddamn fucking losers. Boo and Dom Herrera. Suck a dick. All of you. Suck a fucking dick. How's that? No, I'm segueing into my next joke. You can all lick my fucking red nuts, all of you. You can line up in your Harold Carmichael fucking jerseys, and one at a time, you can all suck my dick. City of brotherly love, you bunch of fucking.
So this is your rendition of what you're doing with
so
our
he
Memecoin
just
holders.
literally just dunks on Philadelphia for his whole set because they basically shit on the guy right before. They just boot him off stage. Bill Burr comes on, they start booing him, and he just tells them to go fuck themselves, basically. And it's literally just for 12 minutes, one of his best sets ever, where he just makes fun of Philadelphia for like the entire thing, and the audience absolutely loves it. You didn't even play you should just play the whole thing. But anyways,
Nick, are you familiar with labor law in
oh
the United
shit,
States?
I'm supposed to be at an appointment.
Hold on, real
go.
quick.
No, I literally am
No. Okay, what is it for?
a doctor's appointment that I'm 15 minutes late for.
Your fucking hand's fine.
I don't give a shit. I paid for it. What do you?
But just really quick,
what are you talking about? Disrespectful.
labor laws. How could we hire more people for this project, but only accept Asians legally?
All right, so I'm making the banner right now. We're almost done. I sent him the PFP. I don't know how we're gonna update it, but he's got both. He's got both. This banner's gonna do numbers.
I already posted it, dude.
The PFP?
Yes, bye.
Answered your
let's
question, not mine.
I'm gonna check it out here. So we're looking for fraud terminal on X. Oh, I like this. I like this PFP.
Nice, right?
Yeah, banner's coming next. So we got PFP, we've got banner, we've got website, and we've got the course. So today was a pretty big day for fraud.
Yeah, fraud's making moves, dude. Fraud's making moves. I just need one more fraudster for
Ray, you have
this.
no Asian in you.
No,
Bro, what is this? Like, what is this question?
My eyes are very tiny, so I have trouble putting contacts in. So I think it's just something with the eyes.
You have trouble putting contacts in?
Yeah, a little bit because you get the Asian things.
Do
My
Do
eyes
your
are
eyelids
naturally-
try to close on you when you try to put them in?
Yeah. So a little issue there, but no, my mom's side we have Polish, we have Native American, we have Spanish. My dad's side's more English Irish. So it's
Good
quite
mix.
quite the mutt going on for me personally.
Good mix.
But
What
that's
about
gonna
you,
do it.
Easy. You got any Asian in you?
No.
Maybe I do.
Do you?
I don't know. I haven't just going off what my parents told me.
You don't want to send your DNA swabs so that the government has all of your information?
I think they'll take me out. I think I have advanced sentient DNA. Next thing I know, I'll have a random heart attack. I gotta call the driver's license place and not be an organ donor anymore.
You worried that because you're an organ donor, they're going to maybe not provide the level of care needed?
If they know about my DNA.
Oh, I see. That's interesting. Very interesting.
I've never done a blood test. I don't even have a social security number.
Well, thanks for joining us a little late there, Kix, and getting in on some of the frauds. That's going to wrap it for today's show. We've got a couple places we got to be here on New York. You can catch us again tomorrow. Crew's going to be here. We'll have Clemente as well. Thank you all for joining. You can catch this podcast on Spotify, Apple Play, all major podcast platforms. You can watch us on YouTube. We stream this each and every day at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you all for listening today. Go commit fraud. Have a wonderful Tuesday.